Hello and welcome to the Zoom phone rollout for India. I am Simran Shivalkar, your host for today. I have with me Ms. Karishma Batra. She's the head of counseling for Tetra College of Business. Karishma, firstly, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, the pleasure is totally ours. That being said, today is the big day for Zoom team with the phone launch in Delhi. In India, you've already seen the glimpse of the product. From your point of view, what's been the first impression of its potential real world use case?
I think it's very exciting for the fact that you can finally attend meetings and have everything in one place instead of just the work being cluttered over a laptop and a phone.
Correct.
I like the integration of different apps about the meeting, about messaging, etc. can all be integrated in one. Also, one thing I'm actually looking forward in Zoom Phone is the AI companion of how you can get a summary and how that will help and be productive for the agents and the counselors that be making calls. So that's something I'm looking forward to.
Lovely. How important is this platform integration when we talk about calls, meetings, and messaging from your point of view when we talk about teams' day to day productivity?
I think it's very important because it's going to be very, very efficient to have everything in one app rather than just moving from one app to the other. Because as a counselor or as an agent, when you're making calls to a customer and you're trying to find answers and you're messaging on WhatsApp,
Right.
but you're actually moving from a phone or a mobile, but putting the call on hold, it does affect productivity. And it'll be a fresher breath to have everything on one app available for the user. And I think it will also lead to a better customer experience on the other end as well.
Wonderful. Karishma, thank you so much for providing a fresh perspective and joining us today.
Thank you.